How to set margins in MS Word. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust the margins of your MS Word document. So as here you can see, I have this sample MS Word document right here, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to adjust its margins. So in order to adjust the margins of your MS Word document, you will need to click onto the layout tab from the ribbon. So here is the layout tab. So once you will click onto this layout tab, you will see under the page setup this option of margins. This will be the leftmost option or the first from the left. So simply click onto this margins option and you will have a tons of different margin customizations like a normal margin, a narrow margin, moderate margin, wide margin, mirrored margin, and Office 2003 default margin. You can use any of the margins that you want, and the specifications are listed just below them, which includes the top, bottom, left, and the right positions of the margins. If you want to create a custom margins with your own settings and formattings, you can click onto this custom margins options at the bottom. So once you will click here, you will have the option to define the top, bottom, left, right, gutter and gutter positions from here. You can also choose the margin orientation and the pages, and from here you can also view the preview, and you can also apply it to the entire document or some selected pages as well. So in case you want to apply any margin, you can simply click onto that margin. So for example, let's try to apply a white margin. So simply click onto this wide option, and here you can see that a wide margin has been successfully applied into our document. So that's how easily you can apply margins into your MS Word document. So that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.